바람, wind. 불다, to blow. 바람이 불다. Although the literal meaning is wind blows, you might want to understand this as to be windy. 바람이 불어 to your friends, or 바람이 불어요 to somebody older. It is windy. 바람이 불었어 to your friends. 바람이 불었어요 to somebody older than you. And the meaning is it was windy. 바람이 불 거야 to your friends. 바람이 불 거예요 to somebody older than you. And it means it'll be windy. 바람 부는 날 좋아해요? Do you like windy days? Please leave a comment for your answer.